Hey y'all, so I don't even gotta explain too much. Y'all already know when we're in the bathroom and we looking like this, we're gonna put on a wig. Do some type of hair or something if we're looking like this.
Knock him off, but then I throw him off the boat. Kevin like a narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Shot trees with the Draco. Kevin like a narco. Got dope like Pablo.
So today, this wig is by this wig that I'm gonna be installing, y'all, is by Angel K Collections. I talked about this. Well, I didn't really talk about it, but in my last video, I talked about me getting a promo package, and this was one of them. And let me just show her y'all real quick, okay? This is her, y'all. It's giving aqua. It's giving under the sea. It's giving, okay? But yeah, y'all, and she smells so good, y'all. Like when I got her, she didn't have no smell or anything. And this is a black-owned business, y'all. So y'all go support. I will leave every single link down below of their either social media or website and everything. I will leave everything down below. Y'all, like, I'm so ready to put this on. I've never worn a color like this or anything, and I'm scared, but I'm actually ready. So y'all gonna see me put her on, and it's gonna be a difference because I'm not gonna use the almighty bond glue this time. I'm going to use the Got To Be glue spray. So we're going to apply the wig with this, and because I just want to try it out to see if it gives more of a better look. So yeah, y'all. So y'all going to see me go ahead and do this, and I'm not going to really explain too much. I'm just going to really just put it on, and you guys are going to see. And if it's something that needs to be explained, then y'all know I'll come to the camera and explain it. Let's go ahead and get into it. I feel like I talked enough. I always talk, but we're gonna go ahead and get into it, okay? And I did my bald cap already, and I never really showed the process, but it's nothing really to it with the bald cap. But one day, one video, I'll show y'all like a detailed video on how I actually do and lay my bald caps. Yes, let's go ahead and do it. Let's go ahead and get started. I need my clips. Let me clip these up. so we are done. To be honest, I actually like it. I never thought I would like something like this on me, but I actually like it, y'all. And I never thought I could pull off a color like this. So now I know in the future to like really try like other colors that I may want to try and stuff like that. Not more so bold colors, but like, you know, just other colors or whatnot. So I do like this, y'all. I love this wig. It is so, like, the quality, y'all, is really good. Okay, really good. So yes, y'all. Okay, so yes, y'all. So this is gonna probably most likely wrap up the video. I'm gonna take some promo pictures in a minute, and my pictures by then will probably be uploaded. So I'm gonna leave my Instagram and stuff and everything, all my socials down below. So you guys, make sure you guys go follow my Instagram and go like my pictures too. Might as well since you're following. So yes, you guys, like I said, I will leave her whole social media and everything in the description box and her website. So you guys make sure that you guys follow her as well. So I love each and every one of you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.